Today we're going to learn about facial proportions. Proportion is a part of one thing as it relates to the whole. In other words, proportion has to do with all the parts of an object being the correct size in relationship to each other and the entire object. When proportions are not correct, the image will look odd. For example, does a clown's feet look like they are in proportion with the rest of the body? Of course not. That's one of the things that makes a clown look so funny. The feet are out of proportion. This is a famous painting by Leonardo da Vinci called the Mona Lisa. This image has the ideal proportions, which Leonardo called divine proportion. Now we are going to learn how to draw a face with the correct proportions. First, let's draw an egg shape. Notice that this shape is different than an oval. An egg shape is larger at one end and smaller at the other end. Using a vertical line, let's divide our shape into two equal sections. Draw the guidelines lightly so you can erase them later. Next, draw another guideline horizontally through the center to divide the shape into four equal parts. Use two more horizontal lines to divide the bottom half of the shape into three equal parts. Now it's time to draw the eyes. Most students will draw the eyes in the center of the two top halves. However, in reality, the eyes are in the center of the head. Draw the top of each eye on the first horizontal line. As a rule, you should be able to fit 5 eye lengths across the line. Draw the eyes and the eyelids. Add the eyebrows. These should be drawn directly above the eyes. The bottom of the nose should be drawn at the next horizontal line. Adding a curve will help define the bridge of the nose. You could even draw a curve for each side of the nose. That's up to you. The mouth should be drawn directly above the last horizontal line. The corners of a relaxed mouth should line up with the center of the eyes. Next are the ears. As a rule, the length of the ears are about the same length as the distance between the eyes and the bottom of the nose. Adding a hairline will help you as you draw the hair. Make sure you leave enough room for a forehead. The top of the neck actually starts directly under the ears. Curve inward slightly, but not so much as to make the neck too narrow. If you have room, add shoulders. Make sure you make them wide enough. Your shoulders should be able to fit an extra head on each one. Once you have the correct proportions, erase your guidelines. Then you can begin adding all the details that will make your drawing unique. Begin with the hair, then add details like eyelashes, earrings, hats, whatever you think will give your face personality. Here's where you can really get creative. So whenever you draw a face, remember that by using the correct proportions, your drawing will look more realistic. Incorporating the guidelines when drawing faces will help you get those proportions accurate every time.